Welcome to Jolly Trip app demo. Jolly Trip is a travel agency operating in two major cities want to create a user-friendly mobile-based application for its customers. In this video demo, I'm going to walk through the prototype created for this Jolly Trip app demo, covering features like sign up, sign in, search, and booking tickets. I will also walk through how to create interactive prototype by connecting different pages, and I will show you how to view outcome of your design and how to share it with your friends and colleagues. All right, let's get started. To begin with, we need to create a project in Figma, and I have already created a project and the name is Jolly Trip, and I have created few sample prototype pages for Jolly Trip app. To begin with, the first one is login page, and the second one is sign up page. The third one is home page. The next one is search result, booking page, and success page. Now, as per the application scenario, I'm going to allow users who are already registered. So for them to enter username and password so they can sign in, or if they are new to our app, they should sign up. So when I click on sign up, it should move to the next page called the sign up page, where it will seek few details from users like name, date of birth, the preferred username, and the password. Once they sign up or they sign in, let's say for example the existing users are signing or the new users are sign up, in both the cases the app should move to the third page called as the search page or home page. So here is the page that is being used by our users who will use Jolly Trip app to book the vehicles from particular city to other city. So in this case, imagine that the user wanted to book a ticket from Bangalore and to the destination Chennai, and vehicle type. They may select a certain type of vehicle, maybe a car or maybe any other vehicle, and they should enter the preferred date of journey. Once they click on search, the app should redirect to the next page called the search result, where it will allow user to look for the different vehicle options that are available on selected date. So and also it should give the date and time of travel. Now, based on user preference, assuming that okay, user will select a particular vehicle, it should move to the next page called as a booking page, where it should take the certain details from users like number of passengers, and it should also display the the rate per person and overall total bill. The moment user clicks on book or confirming the booking, it should move to the next page called as a success page. Now this is what I have created, and you can also zoom in and zoom out by using the your keyboard shortcuts. So I'm going to zoom in so that you can see in a much more detailed. Now, what is the next step? So these are the pages that we have created. Now, to make it more interactive, what we could do is you can go to the right side panel. You have two tabs. The design tab, it is for setting the properties for each component that what we are creating. The other tab is prototype. It is used to make our pages interactive. Now, the moment I clicked on prototype, you can see that there is already some arrows are shown from one page to another page, and that's the indication that what is the action that they we should follow when user performs certain actions or when user initiates certain actions. In this case, if user clicks on sign in, it should move to the third page called as a home page. Or if user clicks on sign up, it should move to the next page called as sign up page. So the third page called as home page. From home page, if user clicks on search icon, it should move to the search result. So like this, we can decide what are the different types of actions or interaction that should takes place when user performs certain action, and that is the meaning of your prototype. Yeah, and accordingly it will it will move based on the actions that you have defined. For example, so I already defined the action that if user wanted to sign in after successful entry of username and password, it should move to the home page. So I already written a drawn arrow from login page to home page. Now, let's say to show a live demo, I will delete this and I will show you how to create an interactive. Now, when you are in the prototype tab and if you click on the button where you wanted to define the interaction, so when you bring the mouse over there, you will see there is a plus symbol which is popping up. Now, click on that plus symbol and drag the arrow and to the destination where you wanted to move. So in this case, when I release the mouse, so it will show that on what is the action that I should define to for this interaction which I have defined. Now, what is meaning by action here? For example, how that interaction should take place. Now, what is the triggering point? Is it like on click, on tap, or what is that you wanted to do? So in this case, I'll say on tap. Yeah. And then what is the action? It should navigate to the home page. Okay, the destination is home page. And what type of animation that you wanted? Is it move in, move out, yeah, or instant? You can define the different types of animations. So this is how we created interactions in Figma tool. The next step is how to see the outcome of your design. Okay, I have created a page, I have created an interaction. Now, how to create the outcome of your page or the design of your page, for which you can see there is a two option that is provided by Figma. The first option is you have option called as preview. If I click on an option preview, it will show you the output of your design without moving to the next page. You are still in the Figma, you are seeing your design, and at the same time, it will also show you the output of your page, how it appears. Since I have selected this application for mobile device, and it brings that mobile device simulation and it shows that how it appears in a mobile device. Now, in this case, as I said, suppose that assuming that I'm a registered user, I'm entering a username and password. I'll click on sign in. It will go to the home page where I can search for the different types of vehicles. Yeah. So this is one way of seeing your output. The other option is more elaborated, more comprehensive, is that you can go for the next option is present. When you click on present option, it will take you to the next page. It won't stay in the Figma. It will take you to, it will create a new tab. It will take you to the next page altogether. Now in this case, you see here, there is a new URL that is created for you. Yeah. And it will also run on the chosen device. In this case, I have selected iPhone 16 Pro. So it is showing that iPhone 16 Pro, how my design would look like on iPhone 16 Pro phone. And then you can also see that, okay, there are various other options provided by Figma. For example, if I wanted to share this prototype, so I can do that by clicking on this. Yeah, and it will, you can give a different option. For example, if I wanted to share only with the view option or edit option and so on. Now to run this app, what I will do is, as I said, okay, let's say that I wanted to, I'm a new user, I want to first register. So I'll click on sign up. So once I sign in, once I provide all the details and I click on sign up, it will take me to the home page where I can key in the source and destination and I can choose the car type or vehicle type and then date of journey. When I click on search, it will show me the different the vehicle that are available on so and so journey date and the different timing option. Assuming that I'll select the second one, so it will take me to the next page where it will ask certain detail like number of passengers who are traveling and total bill amount, and then also the charge per person. So when I click on book, it will show me the successfully booked message. And when I click on home page, it should come back to the search page. So this is how I could make the interaction of my application using the Figma tool options. Thank you.